how to set up AutoDS for Amazon dropshipping. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to set up and utilize AutoDS over here for your Amazon dropshipping. So actually in Amazon compared to other plans over here, Amazon has additional extra steps since creating a store in Amazon actually requires documents. So what I would recommend that you focus on doing first, since it's a totally different process, is to make sure that everything in relation to your Amazon store is all set up, all the paperwork, all your tax IDs, stuff like that are properly handled and good to go. So what I want your Amazon store state to be is a perfect store. Like it's good to go. All you need to do is to upload your different products. And after ensuring that, then I would be confident that you are now able to use AutoDS without any issues, without encountering any problems whatsoever. Also, if you want to get started yourself with AutoDS, click the link in the description below to get a free 30-day free trial. So over here in AutoDS, as you can see, the first thing that you're actually going to do when you come across our AutoDS is to create our or connect our store. And in AutoDS, they have a plan or they have a structure when in if you're going to connect to a specific platform, you need to get a specific plan for each of those platforms. So for example, right now I have a Shopify plan. But if I want to have or if I want to connect an Amazon store to it, I need to get a different plan. And to ensure that you don't get scammed or you don't waste your money, ensure that the product that you're going to purchase from is the store that you want to have. So if you accidentally purchase a Shopify store plan instead of an Amazon store, that could be a headache for you to talk to the customer support to modify that. But anyway, the different plans available for you in Amazon are the following. You have $50, $70, and $120 over here, each with different benefits, as you can see. It's going to be exactly the same for other platforms, as you can see here. The main things are the features that are available for you to use here. But anyway, going back into our homepage, after being able to successfully connect your Amazon to your AutoDS, you can now utilize its different features. There are two main features in AutoDS. We have the marketplace and the add products over here. In the marketplace, these products are gotten or taken from all kinds of different platforms that are actually connected with AutoDS. So if you check out our filter over here on the top, you can actually click on our supplier over here and you can see all the different platforms that you can actually get products from. So if you want to get products or see products in your AutoDS marketplace over here, so let's say I want products from Home Depot. I could select that as a supplier and all the products that I'm going to see in my marketplace are going to be that from that platform. And also we have some categories over here that you could choose from. So if you want to sell specific niches on your Amazon, you could select these categories over here, choose the categories that you prefer. Now, if you found a product that you like to sell in your Amazon store inside of our AutoDS, simply navigate to that specific product and click on Import to Draft. By doing that, it will be added to your draft list. You could also open the product over here to learn more information about it. Some people might want to learn about the product before they actually add it to their store because they don't want to be selling cheap products. So you could open it, check it out like a normal e-commerce. You could check out the title, the item cost, the reviews, the description over here, and so on and so forth. After ensuring that you do like the product, simply click in add the product, add import draft, and you will be able to see it in your drafts as you can see in this page. AutoDS has a drafts page to ensure that the products or you have a chance to review those products before importing it. We could edit this specific product. We could modify it to a certain extent, such as the title, the images, the description, and so on and so forth, as you can see here. I could change it and put in my own title, or whatever title that you want. Then you could have additional settings over here, such as monitoring for stocks, stuff like that. And you have your description. You could even add your own variants and images and other stuff. After that, you can simply click on Save and Import. And that's basically the process of being able to add products into your Amazon store. What I would recommend is that you could get multiple products inside of the marketplace, all the products that you prefer or if you want to have in your Amazon store, and then later on import them one by one. I don't recommend importing them or importing one now, then another one tomorrow. I would recommend that you import them all together so it's a single process. And after that, if you don't like what you're seeing also in the marketplace, there are features that would actually allow you to get products outside of the marketplace, but still within the same suppliers available over here. So we could actually search up Shane over here as an example, and then you could select a specific product in their store. Let me wait for it to load. For example, the specific item over here, this clothing over here. I want to be able to sell this in my Amazon store. So what do? We simply open the specific product or the specific category over here, select the specific product that you want to sell, just like this one. And we're simply going to copy our URL, go to our AutoDS, add products, single product, then paste it over here and click on Publish to Store. It will send it to our drafts list, just like our other products earlier, and we will be able to import that easily into your Amazon store. And you also don't need to worry about any inventory since it's drop shipping. It's a very automated process. The main things that you're actually just managing here is selecting the products that you actually want to sell. And AutoDS handles majority or handles almost everything that you need to do. You have some additional features over here if you prefer or if you want to try. You have your print on demand features over here. There are subcategories under the marketplace which could help you make your decisions as well. And if you want to manage your AutoDS products from Amazon, you could manage it in the dashboard over here since you are also able to add your own products or add products from other sources aside from AutoDS. And you could manage everything inside of Amazon. But if you want to manage everything coming from AutoDS, you could check it out in the dashboard over here, as you can see. So aside from this, there are other things that you could also do. There are orders, other sourcing requests. You have your products over here that you could check out. You are able to modify your profit, your prices, everything that you need to do or you want to do with the products, you're able to do it. There will be some recommendations on how you adjust your pricing, stuff like that. But that's basically the gist of it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.